Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Choice Trade account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Choice Trade account, first, navigate to the Choice Trade website. On the home page, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the Account Services section in the dashboard menu. Click on Account Activation to proceed with the activation process. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions provided to enter any necessary personal information. This may include your social security number or date of birth. After entering the required information, click on the Submit button. Check your email for a confirmation message from ChoiceTrade. Open the email and follow the link provided to confirm your account. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once confirmed, return to the ChoiceTrade website. Log into your account again using your credentials. You will now have access to all features of your activated account. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact customer support for assistance. Review the educational resources available to maximize your trading experience. Finally, start exploring the trading tools available to make informed investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.